You don't want to miss this adorable, recently renovated home. Walking up the stairs to the front entrance, you're greeted by the covered porch with plenty of room for outdoor furniture or a porch swing where you can sit and enjoy the fresh air. Inside the home, beautiful, hard surface flooring can be found throughout, providing both style and functionality. The living spaces in this home are quite spacious and ready for you to make your own. The kitchen boasts white cabinets, granite countertops, subway tile backsplash, as well as stainless steel appliances. Each of the 4 bedrooms are great in size, and the full bath has been updated with stunning features, boasting a double sink vanity, tiled walk-in shower, and a sliding barn door entrance. This bathroom provides a personal oasis where you can relax and unwind. A detached garage, great yard, and a location close to shopping and restaurants makes this a very desirable home. Come and see the new features and all the details put into this home for yourself. Contact Ben Craver for more information.